3, 2, 1. When entering the room, you're forever in the same place as other rooms forget themselves, repeating the distance from door to bed, chair to window, window to floor to mirror. Here you are overcome by your love of mirrors as the slow movement underneath the surface becomes your skin. In the force field of possible lives, you take 3 steps to the center of the stained blue carpet. It's here that everything is happening twice, once in the body and once in the words for it. And there's no escaping that song in your head, the one that was in the room and is now in you.
Soba 321. Kad ulaziš u sobu, zauvijek si na istom mjestu, jer druge sobe zaboravljaju same sebe. Ponavljajući razdaljinu od vrata do kreveta, od stolice do prozora, od prozora do poda, do ogledala. Tu si obuzeta vlastitom ljubavlju prema ogledalima, dok polagano kretanje ispod površine postaje tvoja koža. U polju sile mogućih života praviš 3 koraka do sredine uflekanog plavog tepiha. Upravo se ovdje sve događa 2 puta. Jednom u tijelu i jednom u riječima koje ga znače. I nema bijega od te pjesme u tvojoj glavi. Pjesme koja je bila u sobi, a sad je u tebi.
Room 201. When entering the room, he's listening for the 2 silences, the one inside and the one outside the window, still air settled over plumbing and the vague hush of wind or traffic, the way they fight each other in his ear. If there is a 3rd silence in the high-toned hum of blood, he's paying no attention. Every cell sings yesterday. Behind the slow drowse of numbers multiplying secretly at his fingertips. Every different room becomes the same in every sameness changed, where sleep undoes the hook, unlocks the eye that opens in the wall between us.
Kamra 201. Kif jidħol fil-kamra, jissemma żewġ silenzi. Il-ġewwieni u dak barra t-tieqa. L-arja ma titħarrikx u jieqfa fuq pajpijiet tal-ilma u s-sikta vaga tar-riħ jew tat-traffiku. U l-għamla tal-argumenti ta' bejnietom imwassla fid-dnieħ. Jekk jeżisti t-tielet silenzju fil-ħossoli ta' demmu, mhuwiex jagħti kasu. Kull ċellula tkanta dwar il-bieraħ minn wara l-influss kajman ta' numri jimmultiplikaw bil-moħbi tiegħu fuq ponot subajh. Kull kamra differenti jissir l-istess fil-bidla ta' fejn kollox kien l-istess. U fejn l-irqat iżar mal-ganċ u jiftaħ beraħ dik lajn fil-ħajt ta' bejnietna.